Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com coming at you today for a quick product spotlight, looking at some of the fine accoutrements. So you may have heard of fine shaving, fine accoutrements, and they've been in the wet shaving world forever. I am proud to say that they got a very similar start that I did way back in the day in 2005 with a MSN article from Corey Greenberg that talked about the benefits of traditional shaving, and that set the founder, Todd Cerami, down a path of experimenting with aftershaves and shaving products and loving the whole experience. He quickly soon launched his own line of splashes and other soaps, and now he even has brushes and bowls and all the other fun products that make it accoutrements, right? And so I just wanted to take a quick moment to look at some of these. Really happy to be carrying them in the store for many years. I think it's been at least 9, maybe even 10 years of carrying fine in the store. They do well, and lots of customers seem to like them. I like kind of the throwback element, kind of the mid-century look. Kind of really looking at the branding and style of the golden years of wet shaving. So let's just kind of quickly look at some of these guys. First up, we have got some of these giant bowls. If you like bowl shaving, I don't think it gets much better than these giant fine accoutrement bowls. They are huge. They will take up a lot of real estate in your bathroom. But you will quickly see the benefit of having this huge amount of area to really work up a lather. It's got these little internal kind of ribs inside so that it really creates agitation. And you're gonna whip up a giant lather. It's got a little thumb rest here. These are solid, so if you like hot shaves or cold shaves, they're gonna kind of I think they're made of porcelain, so they're going to really hold on to that. It's just got that old world quality. I mean, he obviously sourced these from somebody who knows how to make porcelain ware, and it's solid. I mean, you got to be careful that obviously don't want to drop it, but man, talk about waking up and getting your day started the right way with these giant bowls. Whether you like red or blue, they got one for you. So that's what we got over here with these guys. And even look at the artwork. I know this is so silly. I'm into boxes and packaging, and I love this. It's got that kind of 1950s throwback, like you're buying a socket rocket, rock'em sock'em kind of toy or something. Another cool addition to the fine line is the line of brushes here. So they all are synthetic knots. So if you like badger knots or boar knots, sorry, they don't got one for you. But a lot of the principles behind fine are kind of more environmentally minded, right? And some people have issues with badger hair. So he's got all these different styles, and he's got them ranging from I think 20 millimeter to 24 millimeter. Yeah, 20 millimeter knot, 24 millimeter knot. So two different sizes of knots and then two different sizes of lofts. So the knot is how wide around it is at the base, and then the loft is how tall it is. They all are the bulb shape, right, so to speak, like a light bulb. And he's, again, kind of gone with the real classic look. These remind me of old, like, Ever-Ready brushes. Definitely nostalgic with the two color there. Or if you don't like the colors, he's got just the plain old white ones. They got branding on the bottom side. They even tell you what size they are. So whether you like more of a stout brush or more of kind of a thin brush, he's got something for you. And, you know, synthetics are great. A lot of guys like them, and I think he definitely makes one of the nicer ones out there. It's just not my personal thing. I like a badger brush, but that doesn't mean they can't produce a great lather. Everyone wants a little different feedback from their brush. So he's got these different brushes to accompany your different lathering bowls. So you can whip up a fine shave for yourself. That is all I got. If you have tried the fine shave, if you have bowl lathered, if you love synthetic brushes and matte, I got to give it the times. Tell me below in the comments. That's all I got for you guys today. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we will see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving. Thanks, guys.